as a powerful and fast-moving storm brings heavy snow, ice, and dangerous winds across many U.S. states right now. This video will cover the crucial safety precautions you need to protect your family, your home, and yourself. Since winter storms frequently lead to major power outages, widespread road closures, and frustrating delays in emergency services, being proactive with your preparation now can genuinely make the crucial difference between staying safe and facing a true crisis later. You absolutely must assemble a well-stocked 72-hour emergency kit containing essentials like bottled water, non-perishable food, flashlights, batteries, a reliable power bank, necessary medications, warm blankets, and a comprehensive first aid kit. Then, store it all together for quick retrieval. Make sure every single one of your electronic devices is fully charged beforehand. And remember, the critical safety rule: only operate any generator outdoors, as using indoor gas stoves or grills for heat poses a lethal risk of carbon monoxide poisoning. To safeguard your home against the deep cold, thoroughly seal all windows and doors. Allow your faucets to drip ever so slightly to prevent costly frozen pipes. And if you lose heating, consolidate everyone into a single room while layering up with blankets to conserve body warmth. The best advice is to stay completely off the roads if conditions are bad, but if driving is unavoidable, you must pack an emergency car kit with water, snacks, a flashlight, jumper cables, warm layers, and always inform a trusted person exactly what your route and final destination will be. To stay ahead of rapidly shifting weather patterns, you need to consistently monitor your local television and radio weather stations. Keep an eye out for official emergency alerts on your phone, and regularly check credible government update sources for the latest directives. During extreme weather events, please remember your social responsibility to actively check in on vulnerable community members like elderly neighbors, young children, and anyone else you know who might struggle alone, because that simple phone call or brief visit truly has the potential to save a life. While the actual path and severity of any incoming storm remain completely unpredictable, the good news is that your personal level of preparedness absolutely does not have to be. Take these essential steps right now to better protect everything and everyone that matters most to you. If the information in this guide proves helpful to you in any way, please take a moment to share this critical video immediately across all your social channels with friends and family throughout the US, because keeping the wider community informed and well prepared is how we all stay safer together.